Today I am going to teach you how to make a triceratops out of Legos part 4. First things first, you're going to take one of these and put them on either side of here like this. Put these on either side of here like this. And put these on either side of here like that. Then you're going to take this piece and you're going to put it right here with this piece behind it, then this piece on top with this piece on here, and this piece behind it, and this piece on top, and then this piece right here, like that. Can you see that? Then you're going to take one of these and you're going to put them on either side of here like that, with this piece in the middle right there, and these pieces on top of it like this. Then you're going to take these pieces and you're going to go like this. And you're going to put this here with this piece here, like that. Then you're going to take these two pieces and you're going to put them together like that, with one of these on either side of here, and two of these on each side, like that. Then you're going to put these two pieces together, put them on top of this, and put this on top of here, and put that right there, and just slide that into place there. Then you're going to take this piece, and you're going to put them together like that, with this piece right here, and this piece here. And then we're going to take this piece, we're going to put this on top of it, and put this here, with this on here like that, and this here. Then you're going to put this piece on here like this, put this piece in the middle, this piece in front of it, this piece on here, and this piece on top. Then you're going to take this piece, you're going to put it right there with this piece on top of it like that. This piece you're going to attach one of these eyeballs to. Then same thing to the other one. There. And then you're going to put this on top of here like this, and put them on here. Oh, there. Now you're going to take all of these pieces times 2, and you're going to take this piece, put it together like this, put it here with another one on the other side like that. Then you're going to take this piece and you're going to put these here with this piece here, and put it on here like that, and do the same thing here, like that. And now you're going to take this piece, you're going to put it here with one of these on either side like this, one of these on either side of that like this piece here, and this piece right here like that. Let's put these aside for now. And now you're going to put one of these on either side of this, flip it over, put these two here, to here. Oh, get it like this. Sorry. Then you're gonna put one of these on. Whoa, what is happening? Sorry. One of these on either side. One of these on either side. One of these on either side. And one of these on either side. Then you're gonna take this, and you're gonna put them together like, oh, wow. Flip this over like that. Put this, here. Attach it to this. Then bring this over here. Attach it to there. And bring in the bird. Well, that's all for today. Bye.